Blink and it's too late. Massive animals burst onto the road, trucks can't stop, and chaos unfolds in seconds. These shocking moments will leave you stunned. Hard stopping. This 60 pup survived a 3.5 mph hit. God bless. Watch how heroes stepped in. It's a true miracle on 4 paws you can't miss. Nature is king. Watch a 2,000-pound buffalo crush steel like paper. This is why you stay in the truck. God bless those rangers. Don't blink, folks. That 200 lb buck came out of nowhere, totaled the front end in a second. Seeing that driver lose his cool is wild, but we've all been there. Heartbreaking.
Get it? Get it. Stupid fuckers.
Witness a true hero. This scooter rider hits 40 miles per hour to save a runaway horse. Such a heartwarming act of kindness. Our community needs more of this.
Het is goed. Ontzettend bedankt. Ik kan er geen kus geven.
Watching this 100 mph steel beast is intense. Such a tragic impact. It shows why track safety is no joke. Stay tuned for the raw power of these trains. Heartbreaking. Always watch the road for our furry friends. A split second at 35 miles per hour can change a life. Praying for this poor kitty's recovery. Watch out. A 1,000-pound elk versus a speeding truck is pure chaos. These split-second moments on the road are terrifying. Stay safe out there, folks.
But for larger animals, escaping a collision is extremely rare. Their chances of survival are almost impossible when they can't...
Heartbreaking power. Watching a 400,000-pound train meet nature's giants is a wake-up call. God bless these creatures. You won't believe clip. Heartbreaking. A brave sheepdog hit while on duty. These loyal 100 lb heroes deserve our prayers. Watching this reminder to cherish every soul.
भाई हम पे ना अटैक कर दे।
Heart-stopping. Seeing that pup brave a 60 miles per hour highway is terrifying. We need to watch out for our furry friends. God bless and stay safe out there. Witness this brave soul's 10-mile journey back to health. A miracle on 4 paws that'll touch your heart. God bless our furry friends. A 2,000-pound beast versus a biker. Nature's raw power in Yellowstone is no joke. Stay calm or be crushed. This is the ultimate wild encounter. Watch now. That 1,500-pound moose versus a steel train? Pure madness. This legendary beast stands its ground like a true rebel. Nature's grit is just unbeatable.
Oh, yeah, here they are. Oh, look. And we got a red dog right in front. Look at this.
Witnessing 2,000-pound giants rule the road. This is the true spirit of the American West. Grab your coffee and enjoy this majestic Yellowstone jam.
I'm getting my arm inside the truck in case one of them decides. Oh, you got a little bitty one over there. Look, it's a red dog. That they call the little bitty baby bison red dogs. Look at this. This is right by the truck. I wish we could go Facebook Live.
Look at that 1,000-pound beast. Even a steel truck is no match for a bull elk in rut. Mother Nature sure is wild in Estes Park. Don't blink. Look at this big fella, standing 7 feet tall and just as curious as we are. A reminder of how majestic nature is from the safety of your Ford. Incredible! Heartbreaking. Seeing a 150 LB deer collide at 60 miles per hour is a wake-up call. Slow down, stay alert, and save a life today. Watch until the end for safety tips. Thanks for watching. Stay alert, life changes in seconds. Learn from every moment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay safe out there.